everything is working. I think we are live. We are live on, yeah, we are now live. Sorry guys, I was a bit late. It was mostly, let's see. Yeah, OBS was causing issues. It was not able to detect my, I guess, what do you say? Was not able to detect my video encoders for some reason today, but I guess it's fixed now. So, yeah, what we are gonna do today, like what I was thinking about doing is, I, as I said, like yesterday, I think I told I was thinking about uh, downloading the GumUI tool and just use its visual editor and uh, try to run that in monogame. Um, so I mean, I have managed to set that up. It was not very intuitive, but I mean, I guess uh, you are supposed to go somewhere here. I think it was no, I think I actually downloaded it from their GitHub, and I think it was in the releases. So, I mean, I don't think it's mentioned anywhere in their documentation, but yeah, you are supposed to download it from the GitHub releases. So, yeah, I mean, I guess it's kind of obvious because it's open source project and stuff, but yeah. So, anyways, I was going through their documentation, and this seems to be the what we are supposed to do. Um, like it basically goes through a way of how you can use the Gum tool to create a basic UI for your project and how to load them into monogame. Um, so we already did this part last time. So we already went through we added the get projects. I'm pretty sure it's added already. Yeah, it's already added. So, and I also went ahead and created a new Gum project. So, I mean, it's pretty simple. You just go and create a new project and you just save it. It does say to save it into the game's content folder. So that's what I have done as well. Set content, this Gum project, and it has all that stuff. Um, Next is, yeah, it's this. I think we also need to make some changes in our CS project itself. I think into this, we will need to edit this. So um, I am not sure if I can directly edit it. Edit, yeah. So I will need to edit this somewhere, I think. Um, But yeah, first let's just do these parts. I did not do it. So we just need to go into contents, add form component, and also to include demo scene. Because I think that has some default scene setups. And what add form, what it does is it adds basically stuff like buttons and keyboard keys, scroll bars, all that stuff, basic components. So Yeah, I think now that is done. It's in controls. Yeah, controls now has buttons, elements. Yeah, and also there is this thing called demo scene, which has like demos, like the demo dialog box, mm, and it's pretty nice. I feel like it. Main thing is like we'll need to load it in. We'll need to like load it into our project, which might cause problems, but I'm not sure. So in Rider, at least like I mean the documentation just writes for Visual Studio and for like VS Code, but it should be pretty similar for our like for Rider as well. What it says is we need to go into properties um, and set the file to copy if newer. Copy if newer. Okay, and then we need to edit this. Uh, need to edit a project, and what it says is instead of just writing gumproject.gumx, we change that into a wildcard so that like any if in case of any change in any of the files inside the gum project folder, it will be updated. So we just do star star slash slash um, star dot star. Yeah, so it's like a wildcard and preserve US. I think all of the rest stuff are same. If we save it and it says to like we can check anything else, and those should also have their, yeah, it should be copy if newer. So yeah, we don't care about Android for now. Loading the gum project is I think the main thing that we need to like do right now. We already did this default and gum project. Where is that? Um, okay, so like we are just doing the normal initialize. Instead, we'll do. I don't think we need this variable, but we'll just follow them for now. Um, GumUI, the initialize pass this. Yeah. And is that all? I think that is all. So we haven't added any screens to the component yet. So if that, then it should give you a blank. I mean, let's see. I mean, there is that demo scene. I'm not sure if that will like run. So let's see what happens. I think we'll need to remove these button stuff from here. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's empty. We remove the button stuff from here, and this. I don't think there was anything in the update. Let me see. Everything. I think everything is fine. Yeah. And I think this is a good time to say that like if you are interested in like what I'm doing and like interested in like the game that I'm working on, be sure to like subscribe if you are on YouTube or give me a follow on Twitch or on Kick. You can also join the Discord. I haven't posted the link yet. You can also join the Discord where I basically like discuss about my game and like in general mono game stuff and like other stuff like DirectX and all. So yeah, next we'll just go on. Let's see. Title screen. So we add a new screen, add screen, call it like same title screen. What does it do? It's our default adding instances. Okay, so just go and do button. Let's place it here. Um, how is this alignment? I think it should be here like this. So, I mean, it's I guess it's like pretty close to how Unity's thing work itself. So yeah, setting up code generation. Uh-huh. So in the title screen, we select code. Auto setup code generation button. Mm, default values. If it does, it means that you say yeah, makes sense. Um, Click on the generate code to generate code for your title screen, not that or the generates code for all components of racing. So it generates button standards. If asked, click yes to generate all necessary components. Okay. We can verify this by the properly generated ATF project. So I guess it added new stuff, new code. Did it add new code? Where did it add the code? Oh, I think it's inside of content only. Component. Where is it? Screen. I don't see the code. Do I need to like save it or something? Um, I guess I need to click on generate. Generate. Yes. Okay. I think now it's generated. So where's the code now? Here. Okay, now it's basically added it into screens and it's called title screen and title screen generator. Okay, that's pretty neat. What do we need to do next? Let's see. This is called custom code and is where you can write code safely as the generate code and with this is the generator. Okay, troubleshooting, resetting. Um, the following snippet. Okay, so all we need to do now is after initialization, so we just do this. We don't even need this variable actually. Um, yeah, after initialization, we just do title screen equals to new title screen, and we do screen dot add to root, and that should be enough. Yeah, did it run? Yeah, okay, it ran. Okay, so we have it's running now, but it's not doing anything. Let's see. Access the button using generate code. We can access the buttons. Okay. So it's like pretty similar to what we were doing, but I don't think like this is a good way. You can write code directly in the title screen. Okay. Custom. We can add the same stuff in the custom initialize as well. Hmm. Mm, Common components type is column stack panel and is used to contain other controls in the form. Stack panel is similar to containers, but they default to stacking children top to bottom. Hmm. And there is button is the normal standard button that we were using. Can we set the color by the way? I wanted to see if we can set colors and stuff. Um, is it even possible to set the color? Don't tell me it's not possible because that was, I guess, the entire reason we were trying to do it. Like we added this thing. Mm, I don't think it's possible to set the colors. Which is weird. How does the demo screen do it actually? Um, is there anything colored? I think this. What is this? Uh, this is a OK button, but dimensions, text, rotation. This seems pretty weird. What is this X button? Hmm. Need to figure that out. So I mean, like at least for now, what we'll do is remove this, and I yes. I think that's like a missing thing. Like I cannot do right click and delete. I mean I can do delete in this, but I cannot apparently I cannot do a right click and delete in side. Hmm. This button standard icon and this button confirm. So it's the green one, and standard icon has the icon. Um, there, there was That's only button, I think. Yeah, button icon is just the icon button. And what does it have? So we can also change the page type. I think, yeah, it was written somewhere. Are there any messages? No. Okay. Let me see. Is there a warning here? It's good. Okay. So as I was saying, let's we just create like we cannot make there's not delete on right click, which is strange. But okay, I also delete this and I'll add a normal button standard. Actually, no. Can also I cannot do Control Z. Hmm. Inside this, I'll add a button icon and change the name. Can I change the name? I think I will change the name here. Set it to like build button, and where is the icon set? How do I set the icon? I'll do the alignment from this alignment here and 50. Does it at the margin? I don't think it's adding any margin. EC is position. I'm not sure about the margin. I put this in the middle, and if I do this 20 and then this, okay, that works. So I need to basically realign um, after like each time I set that thing. Uh, and I need to do is rename this, change the name from title screen, set it to something like what do you say? Um, game HUD screen. Yes, and I guess we will need to like delete this thing. Uh, delete, yes, delete, spelling break, these stuff. Does it still work? What's the error? Oh yeah, it's the import. Move the import. Yeah. How do I set the icon? So I guess I need to make like a custom icon or something. like a custom button actually. That will be basically this button icon, but the icon inside that will be different if I understand correctly. Let's see the documentation if it says anything. Um, see the checkboxes, combo boxes. These are just like the components. We don't care about these still. Um, Styling, yeah, styling is what we need. Colors. So there's something called styles. Is there something called styles? There. Colors. Yeah. Okay. And what do they do? It's not locked. We can set the colors here. Okay, makes sense. Okay, so the default primary is like this. Um, we basically need to set these. Uh, Let me see. Where do I need to like stop? I need to stop the screen for once. Um, Cause I need to go through my files to find the palette, the file palette. Um, yeah. Mm, so, I think primary color would be maybe I think this is pretty nice. And what is this? Copy this and we set it here. And it did not get copied. Yep. So I have changed the primary color and I guess that should have changed this as well. Yeah, it's now changed. Um, how do I change the icon though? Shortens is fine. Font size. Is there something called icon? It's nothing called icon. it basically makes it easier, but I think we don't need it right now because we want to have a standard palette. Um, but what does it say? So it's telling me to like make a custom one. I would prefer not doing that. Um, Sprite element inside your custom button. Dynamic icon changing is also something that I don't want to do. But um, there's something called container runtime individual container nine slice. Seems like overly complicated. Like some of the stuff is pretty easy to add, but the other stuff are like kind of very complicated. I have no idea why it's like that. Let me also see like if I can get a few easy icons. Let's see the assets. Why this one was? Oh yeah, this is just input forms. I think this is just a cursor, but does it have a build hammer or something? Um, Not really. So, yeah, but this is not. Let me need the aesthetic input France. Uh, do is there no UI pack proper? I remember there being a game icon or something. With the one no, but I think I guess it might be missing in this, or I think it was something else that I saw. But anyways, what I actually wanted to do is like let's just reconnect this part because the it's like that thing is broken. Yeah. Oh, yeah, so I need to like I guess regenerate the code. And what was the process for that? Let me just see. Uh, Wait, why isn't the code screen appearing anymore? Huh. Um, that's let me see. But then I need to restart the project or something. Uh, I think there was something about if the code generation was not correct. Uh, Resetting. Okay, the screens component folders in your project. Screens and components. Oh yeah, this one as well. So we need to delete this. Delete. Okay, and close and reopen gum. Okay, that's kind of weird, but okay. To reopen gum, we can. Let me see. I need to stop recording for a second. Stop it. Stop my screen sharing. Um, Go back here. Where was this? Yeah, I reopen them. Okay. And the game has now the code reappears. Okay. I think everything is fine. We click on generate. Yes. Okay. And the stuff reappears. So now we go back into game one and we do what was the thing that we are supposed to do? Yeah, new game on screen and screen dot and YouTube. Now it should appear like the button should appear correctly. Yeah, it does. So what I need to do is I basically need to add the support for on click. Um, I also need to remove the keyboard thingy, like the keyboard support for like starting the build menu. Uh, so I can go here, custom initialize, and I can do uh, build button dot click is plus equals to both of these will be underscore because we don't care about them. Yeah, and it will be, I forgot how well we're supposed to set it. I think it was this build system. So I think I can make an instance of this. Can I make an instance of this? Um, Yeah, and in the constructor, I just do instance equals to this. So I mean, I set the instance equals to this, and then I should be able to do something like build system dot instance dot start placement. Yeah, and what does that take? Yeah, so for now we don't have anything else, so we'll just do tile type dot house. Let's see if that works or if it gives any error. Yeah, I click on this and then I am able to place houses. That's great. So that's like one part of it done. I also want to like add like some tech support like how many humans there are, like basically like data spreadsheet data that you would expect to have like RTS games to have. So um, I think we can do something like uh, a text. We can add a text. I think it's an element. Where is text? Hmm. Caution lights. No. Divider horizontal, divider vertical. Icon. Hmm, question bar. Vertical lines. Yeah, I think we need to manually add a text or something. Yeah, text. And name it like um, house data text. And basically, it will have something like the count of houses or something. So by default, it's like house colon 0. Yeah, and I think you will need to like regenerate the entire thing. Need to generate and did it add it? Let's see. House data text, it got added, and we do the text. Yeah, equals to uh, I don't know. Hello, I will put hello for now. Let's just see if it works properly. Um, yeah, that's added here. I will increase the size, and I think I need to like load the font as well because it's not showing up here. Maybe um, set it to something like 26. Bold and not italic, bold. Generate. Okay. Um, I don't think we also store like the number of houses, so I will put it in build system, but we'll need to like move it in like something called like resource data, like have like a data class, and that will have all the number of resources and stuff in the game. I will put it here for now because I have a build system instance. I just want it to be like easier for me to read for now. Um, call it something like in house count, house count, and we set this to 0 by default. I think it gets used, well, it gets set to 0 anyways, but just in case. Um, yeah, so like, I mean, if you can place, we will just do house count plus plus. It's not the proper way, but I mean, it's what we are doing for now. And in this, we will just do house colon space and concatenate it, set it to like build system dot house count. We no need for toString, and let's see if that works. Why did that not work? Um, yeah, I think can please is not what's used for the placement. I think I am still placing it in the input system. Start placement is being used, I think. No, not this. Um, Start placement. Is it done in game one then? I have already forgotten my code. Uh, Start placement basically starts the sets is placing and sets the current building type. Uh, can place is, oh yeah, can place is just like checking if it is possible or not. Uh, then update, this start placement, this cancel. Oh yeah, item placement, here it is. And it's placing and it can place and it's setting the time to house, and we also set the build system. I mean, we can move this thing and we can start using the instance here, but let's keep it like this for now. We add the house count plus plus, and because the set packages, make it public. Yeah, I'm writing very bad code, but yes, let's see. Um, Game is running for this, and it still does not work. Hmm, I don't think this will work anyways. Why isn't this working? Why isn't this working? Is this because of this? Don't tell me it's because of that. Or do we need to update it? Actually, let me just print it. Um, Sanity check. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I think we need to change the properties not this. I think it's properties for this. Change it to a console application, then we will be able to see like the outputs. Um, Let it run. I think it will like take some time. Yeah. Now if we do this, how is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, so it actually works, but the UI is not updating. Why is the UI not updating? I think we are not supposed to do it like that. What I was doing here, but how do I update text in GumUI? Update. Um, I mean, that's what we are doing, but like, on change, I think they want to update it on change. No, not this. Does ChatGPT know anything? Let's see. And what does it say? Oh yeah, I mean it's in custom initialized, so it makes sense that it's not updating. Is there something called custom update? No, it's nothing called like that. So um, is this property based reactive pattern? Event driven is I think oh, so we need to update this like manually from what I understand. Where was the text stuff? Let me see this. Um, yeah, so I need to do like this thing. So according to it, that should be working. So like, what is the type of screen? I need to check first. Um, Can I get the GumUI dot screen? What are the stuff that I can get? Okay, we did not get anything from there. It's game match. Oh yeah, it's uptime game match screen. Um, so touch screen and change it to change this to touch screen. Yeah, then we can just update it. I mean, I will just do it for now, like update it every single frame. I think that's like not good. Data text dot text. Does that work? That works. But does it have something like what the button has? Dot. I don't think it has. Nope, it does not have anything. Does this have anything? Nope. I mean, it's fine. So like, you can use this, and this will have like the house data. So what we did today was, I mean, we basically set up GumUI. So like now there's much better way. I can directly like edit the UI in this tool, and it appears in my game. I can activate the. Oh yeah, I think I need to like basically figure out a way, I guess, to like ignore clicks on the UI. So, but yeah, I can now place houses and stuff after clicking on this build button. I mean, I need to figure out how to change the icons, and I mean, other than that, I also added this is supposed to be like do the spreadsheet stuff that like every game has, like every RTS game has. So I guess like that's all for today's stream. If you guys are interested, you guys can join the Discord, and you can give me subscribe to me on YouTube, or like give me a follow on Twitch or on Kick. See you guys. Bye bye.